Looking for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX of Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, Australia. Now, Australian shares are set to open lower this morning, potentially weighed down by mining stocks on weak commodity prices, with stronger than expected US economic data adding to worries of a prolonged cycle of interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve. Now, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.7% fall. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.3% higher at 7,307. Moving on to business news from this morning now, and Australia's Lynas Rare Earths posted a 4% drop in first half profit as an increase in costs of sales due to high chemical prices and wages offset strong production and high demand for their metals. The world's largest producer of rare earths outside of China said net profit after tax for the 6 months ending December 31st came in at $150.1 million, compared with $156.9 million a year ago. Chic sales revenue was $168.6 million, and that was down 8% on the first half of financial year 2021. Global active customer base was up 1.2% to 1.33 million, up 66% on the first half of financial year 2021. Now, global customer website traffic was up 7% across all regions to 76.7 million visitors. Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Chic, Phil Ryan, says they've had a challenging first half across key markets as consumer demand contracted, particularly in the US and Europe. In Australia, revenue was down slightly as lower online sales more than offset strong growth in stores as customers returned to in-store shopping. Skincare company BWX have appointed former Coles executive Thinus Keeve as Chief Executive Officer. The company just reported a net profit loss of $100.8 million, down 1,767% in its first half-year results. The company's statutory revenue dropped $79.7 million, an 18.4% decline. They said gross margins were affected by a slow-moving inventory, sales mix issues and decreased marketing activity. No dividend was declared. Well, it's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX of Breakfast report. On Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1%, the S&P 500 dropped 1.1% and the Nasdaq slid 1.7%. The US has imposed new measures for Russia's metals and mining sector, including increased tariffs on over 100 Russian metals, minerals and chemical products worth $2.8 billion. Which will raise the cost for Russian aluminium to enter the US market. Now, across the Atlantic, European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 0.4%, Frankfurt dropped 1.7%, while Paris closed 1.8% lower. Brent crude rose 1.2% to $83.18 a barrel, and spot gold dropped 0.6% to $1,811. Well, that's all for our ASX Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.